I'm happy to partner with Greenworks, and in this video we'll take a close look at the Greenworks Pro 18-inch 80-volt chainsaw. This is the Greenworks Pro 18-inch 80-volt chainsaw. It's got a full charge, and I'm going to use it to cut down this dead birch tree. We'll drop the tree, clean it up, and then cut it into fire log size pieces and see how far we get with the one charge. Okay, well now it's down, and when the tree's down you realize you got some work to do. So I'll start by just cleaning up all the branches, kind of get it down to one trunk, and then I'll start processing that into the fire log size pieces. I'm excited to partner with Greenworks and Costco this year and get the opportunity to really put this saw to work. If you purchase this saw at Costco, it will come with 2 additional chains and the Costco Member Advantage 8-year battery guarantee. All you need to do is register your product online. I'll have a link in the description below. Okay, so I've been working for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. Started out with 3 bars, and now I'm down to 2 bars, if you can see. I'm going to take a little break right now from the saw and clean up some of this mess. It's always fun to cut the tree and just work with the saw, but cleaning up is really the hard part. But it's a good habit to get into, kind of clean as you go, because you don't want to create all these trip hazards when you're walking around with a chainsaw. The nice thing about an electric chainsaw, though, is it's only running when you pull the trigger, as opposed to a gas saw that's idling all the time. It's been maybe 20 minutes and I've cleaned up most of the stuff, just getting all the trip hazards out of the way. And ordinarily I would probably throw the battery back in the charger while I'm doing this other work, but since we're testing the battery, I just wanted to keep it as is. So let's go back to work and see how far we get. Through the chain. I threw the chain, so I took the battery out, and I'm going to just put it back on. I don't think we have that many more cuts left, but we'll see. Still going. I'm going to move the trunk off the stump, and then I'll have to cut it and roll it because I don't want the bar to hit the dirt. You know, it's just hung on with a few fibers. All right. That's it. Okay, so pretty good, I think. I put the battery back in the charger, cleaned up a bit, ate some lunch. It's been about an hour. The battery has a full charge again, and now I'll go finish up. Okay, well, I was really happy with the way the saw performed. I was able to get the entire project done with one full charge and probably 70 to 80% of the second charge in the battery. And like I said during the video, if I was just working on this and not making a video, I would put the battery back in the charger when I was doing other parts of the project, like the cleanup, eating lunch, things like that. So definitely all you need. I can't imagine any homeowner needing anything more. And I've been using a cordless chainsaw now since I think 2017 when I used my first Greenworks saw. And it's just really nice to work and not have the idling, the noise, and the exhaust. So definitely a lot of pluses to using a cordless chainsaw. I'm really happy to partner with Greenworks on this project, and don't forget, if you purchase this saw from Costco, you'll get the 2 additional chains and the additional 4-year battery warranty. So yeah, good saw. Got the job done. I'll see you next time.